news. You guys have seen the video. Well, it's kind of the only video that's really on the channel right now of the Corvette revving up. So today is President's Day. I didn't know if they would be open or not, but our DMV is open, so I got all my stuff. I've been trying to get this car licensed now for since October, and this is now February. So basically, it was like a deal between me and my dad. And anyways, long story short, I had to go there twice, actually. The first time they told me that our bill of sale was invalid because you can't apparently do a bill of sale for $0. We used to be able to do it all the time. So our bill of sale was invalid because it was $0. And then I had to get like a donation thing saying that yes, he donated it to me for $0 or whatever. And then we had to declare the value of the car, blah blah blah. Well, then I went back with that, and then they said, nope, you got to have proof that he's not from this state. So, like, Louisiana, there's a lot of things I hate about Louisiana, but I'm here because I have to be. So, but anyways, good news. I got everything that I need, that I know of. So the plan is that I'm gonna go have these last few documents printed and then go to the DMV before they close. That's my goal. So hopefully there will be videos up soon where I'm driving in the Corvette rather than driving around in the Altima right now. So as much as I love the Altima, the Corvette's way better and way faster. So anyways, for right now, I'm just gonna head there, and we'll see you guys later. Bye. Alright guys, so we're in the vet. She's running, she's driving. We're gonna go down to the store, so I'm not gonna get too crazy with it, seeing as how I have not driven her in quite a while. And so she's kind of a squirrely, unwieldy beast, so to speak of. Because as you can hear, I don't even know if you guys can hear me over this thing, but as you can hear, she is not stock. It's got side pipes. It's got a 350 small block out of a it actually came out of a 92 Pontiac Firebird. It's been done 30 over. The heads have been reworked. It is carbureted. It's not fuel injected or anything. It's about 360-ish horsepower. So it's about 360 horsepower and about 370 pound-feet of torque in like a 3,000 pound car. So it pretty much flies, and that's why I got my four-point harness here to hopefully help keep me safe, because I have spun it twice actually. So that's why I said I'm not gonna get too crazy in this thing. Okay, I kind of wish this traffic would go away though. All right. So she's geared. She's geared pretty high. So I'm gonna roll the window up so maybe you guys can hear me a little. So it's geared pretty high. It's got a 700 R4. with, apparently there's a rattle in that window. It's got a 700 R4 with a 411 gear, 411 rear end gear. So it doesn't have a really crazy top speed, but it will run out like crazy. Like, I don't even know, 0 to 60 times probably insane. But she hasn't actually been driven on the road in quite some time. So anyways, I'm gonna stop talking and pay attention to what I'm doing. So I will flip the camera back around here. All right, bye guys.